Hello people with the spirit of learning. So at the previous video that we've been learning about this slashing the button into this Tailwind CSS project, and now we're moving on into the something new, which is a typography. So in the design style or design system, we will find out this both things are really important for our design system. So that is why we're going to continue in this typography design system with this Tailwind, of course. Okay, so in this opportunity that we do have three different typography. Once for the header, we are using semi bold with the 36 pixel, and then there is header, another subheader, which is we are using the medium and 20, and then the other one is for the body copy, we call it paragraph, just regular with the 16 font size. Okay, let's jump into our project. So in this config, we need to declare our new configuration. We call it font size, right? There gonna be the header, and then sub, and then body, okay, or maybe paragraph, right? Just like this. And then we're going to use rem, since we need to convert this pixel 36 pixel into rem. So we got this point 2.225, okay, rem. And then for the subheader, we're going to see 20 pixel into rem is gonna be 1.25, and then the last one was 16, so it is gonna be 1 rem. Okay, that's pretty cool. So after the font size ready, we can continue into our HTML template right here. We're gonna have another, maybe just another paragraph here, or maybe just going ahead with the header one, and then we can write this better transaction for your growth business and give the break line. Okay, so in this, at this moment, we haven't declared any CSS class, so it's supposed to be just like this, right? Maybe we need to hide this button first. Okay, and then you'll see that this is supposed to be text live, so I'm not gonna declare any text center here. Okay, where is it going? Maybe it's supposed to be text center. Okay, never mind. But in this we can declare text live. Okay, just remove. Right, if we see in this Figma, we are using the font color which is white, so it's gonna be like text white. Okay, there you are. And then oh sorry, I thought why is it center? Because why we couldn't see the result, because it was in the center. Okay, and then we can try to use this configuration, which is header. So it's supposed to be like font header. Save. Okay, cool, right? And the other one, we need to use the font weight, right? Oops, font weight, just like this, and it's supposed to be bold. So bold, let's say 700. But then if we want to decide which value that we're gonna use, it all depends on the font family that we are using right now, which is Poppins, right? So if we take a look in this Poppins, we're going to the fonts.google.com, and you see that this is Poppins, right? And the semi bold was 600, and then the regular is 400. I think we need to add another one, which currently we are using is semi bold, and then regular and medium, right? We need to add medium. Where is it, medium? Right upon here. So we just need to copy again. So the semi bold was 600, right? So we don't declare it like 700. No, we don't need to do that. So just put here 600 for the semi bold, right? And after we successfully register our configuration, we can give it try like font semi bold, and then we can save it, and let's take a look the result. Yes, it is working, guys. Pretty cool, right? And what about this medium and then regular? Well, we can absolutely declare right here. This is supposed to be medium and regular. So the regular is 400, and the medium is supposed to be like here 500. Okay, now we're going to have to use another header. We're using header 3 for this top featured, and then we are using our pre-built class font medium with the font sub and text white. We're gonna save it. Okay, right here. And whenever we use this sub and then this header 3, it doesn't change any font size here. Why is it happening? What if we change this header 3 with just paragraph? Still the same, right? Okay, now we do have this problem that we need to take a look. Okay, the problem was I was totally stupid. If we are using the typography for this font size, we need to use text instead of font, and it's supposed to be working like this. Pretty nice, right? And we need the margin top, maybe just cost us like 10. We do have this primary header and then subheader, and the last one was paragraph. So I'm gonna copy the body copy, and then we give them like paragraph with the text white, and then font regular. Just put this with the margin top. Okay, cool. So don't forget to use a prefix font if you want to have this paragraph. Very cool, right? Sorry, mistake again. It's supposed to be text. Okay, so text paragraph and then text white and font regular, and we do have this now. It's pretty cool, right? So the regular supposed to be 400, but what if we change this regular into this light? Maybe we want something smaller or thinner or like slimmer, right? So actually we just need to add another 300 here. So 300 and then semicolon, and in this config we just change to the light 300, and we're going back into our project. We're gonna use text font light, Okay, and now it is working perfectly like this. So this is how do we register our typography design system in our Tailwind project. So hopefully it's gonna be useful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. So goodbye.